Is your Honda CR-V refusing to crank when you hit the push start button? Statistically, 85% of no-start issues in modern Hondas trace back to battery health or loose connections. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Start by testing your key fob and checking for loose battery terminals before diving deeper. If the battery is fine, look at the starter motor or a potential ground strap failure. Always disconnect the negative battery cable before touching any electrical components to avoid a short. Simple fixes like cleaning terminals are easy for DIYers, while starter replacement often requires a shop lift. Here is the average cost breakdown for these specific repairs, including parts and labor. Use an OBD-I scanner to pull hidden codes and perform a voltage drop test if the starter is silent. Keep a basic multimeter and a scanner in your trunk to handle most electrical gremlins on the go. Remember, the most complex-looking problems often have the simplest, cheapest solutions. If this helped you start your Honda, hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.